Alright, here we are. We're done with the body work. We've come back and sealed all the parts with one coat of DP epoxy primer. Put on and seal all the body work. Got the doors, the hood, the fenders, all of that. John's over here now applying the first of 3 coats of high build sanding primer, again using a PPG product, NCP 271, which is a light gray, and this is actually what will go on and get block sanded to make sure we don't have any scratches or edging where the body filler work was performed. Make sure we've got a nice smooth surface for our base coat, clear coat, top coat finishes to go on, and we'll put 3 nice full wet coats of this down, then let it dry, and then that's when we go in and start block sanding it down to a fine grit of 400 before we come in and apply the top base coat color.